Hello audience, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to discuss more few features introduced in Odoo 19.3. So it is like very useful. So first of all, let's say we will discuss let's say for the new feature. If I go to sales and let's say if I organize order this orders by year, month and day. So it is like first this year, month, right? Different. So we need to like click a lot of time here and expand. So for that we have a new shortcut to easily expand all these groups in one click. So we just need to click press the Alt key on our keyboard, and here let's say click. If I click here, then it will expand all the groups, right? So this is how easily we can expand all the like orders groups. Like if I here click, I need to click multiple time, but if I press alter, then it will expand all the groups of particular sub orders, right? So this is how it is very useful. The another feature is we can like open any link or anything in the new tab, right? By clicking like control plus this arrow icon, I means the our mouse icon, and it will open any records or anything whatever we clicking. So it will open anything on the next tab in our browser. So this is the new shortcut introduced. And the third one is, let's say if we want to update the followers in any records, let's say, then we need to go to here and we can like add followers, right? Let's say in particular day order or particular like group, if you want to add particular like followers, let's say our team assignee or salesperson something, then we need to like manually update one by one. So for that very useful feature, here we just need to select these records, click on access like actions, and here you can see add or remove followers. Then we can add, like we want to add or remove. So if I click here add multiple followers, right, and it will automatically added to all that selected. You can see here, right? So this is how we can easily add or remove followers. The another feature is maybe most of user know, but this is like if someone don't know, then like we if we want to select multiple record, then what we are doing, we go to list view and select these records and perform actions or download like PDF, like print something. But how if we want to select multiple records in Kanban, right? Then there is a useful like shortcut, the alter, right? You just need to press the alter key on your keyboard and just select the multiple records from Kanban view, right? So this is very useful feature. Now we will see the new feature, let's say to bulk update the price and cost something in products. Let's say like we can easily do the mathematical calculation. If I go to products and let's say I have these products as sales price is 10 and 15, right? Now if I want to add the 5 to this, right? Let's say 10 and I want to update 15, right? And here 15, then I want to update 5 more. Then we can do like a plus is equal to 5, so it will add 5 to the existing price. You can see here, right? So it will update, right? Now if I want to decrease, let's say, then minus is equal to 5, so it will deduct 5 from the existing, right? Now if I want to increase product price by percentage. Let's say if I want to update percentage, let's say if I want to update 50% in this existing price, then let's say we need to this multiple sign is equal to n 1, it means this is existing, plus add 5, it means 1.5 time, right? So it will add this kind of, you can see, right? Now if I want to let's say increase more 50%, then let's say 1.5 again, and you can see, right? So this is how we can add here. Simply it is let's say 1 plus, like if I want to increase 10%, then it is 1.10 something, right? So in this way we can update the product price, cost, etc., like a mathematical, like a numeric plot fields. So I hope this video will helpful to you. This is like a very useful feature introduced in Odoo 19.3 Odoo Online, right?